and welcome to KubeCon CloudNativeCon. It's amazing to see 8,000 people in this room, plus many more who are joining us on live stream. So welcome to each and every one of you. So I'm Cheryl Hung. I'm the Director of Ecosystem. And at the CNCF, I work to get end users active and engaged with the community. So I really appreciate how hard it is to build cloud-native systems, because this is what I did when I was a software engineer at Google. Just after I joined the Google Maps team, I was adding some C++ code, and I accidentally dereferenced a null pointer, and I took down every single service globally from my team. So I think on that day, I learned why we put so much effort and time into building these systems. So in addition to the 129 end-user members, CNCF is made up of more than 500 member companies, and they support the work of the open source community. So for instance, AWS has donated $200,000 of cloud credits that will go to CNCF project maintainers to help with performance testing, CI/CD, and storage. More than 100 companies have certified that their Kubernetes offerings are interoperable with each other, which gives end users more flexibility and more choice. So we have some new CNCF members now. ARM, NetApp, and Palo Alto Networks are our newest platinum members, and Equinix and Fidelity at gold. So I'd like to welcome some of our speakers on stage now to talk about why cloud native is important for them and their organizations, and why they're excited to get more engaged with the community. So first up, please welcome Kevin Ryan, Senior Director of Software Ecosystem at ARM.
Thanks, Cheryl. Hello, KubeCon. Wow, this is a great big audience. This is fantastic. We're really happy to be here this year with a large amount of the ARM ecosystem that's here with us. And we're most excited to announce our increased engagement with the community this year. So that's a big thing for us. Now, if you look at ARM, why are we here? ARM is really focused on this journey of enabling 1 trillion devices and building out that infrastructure to enable those 1 trillion devices. On that journey so far, there's over 150 billion chips to date. So we're well along our way on this journey to enable this infrastructure and all these devices at the edge of the network. The reason we're here in increasing our investment in the cloud native community is we believe the way to build out that infrastructure is with this community, and to work closely with the cloud native community to enable the delivery of services from the largest hyperscalers all the way out to the smallest device in the network. So we really look forward to working with this community in the coming years to continue to innovate and make sure ARM is a first-class architecture for all we do in the CNCF. So thanks, Cheryl.
Thank you. So next up, please welcome Matt Baldwin, Director, Cloud Native and Kubernetes Engineering at NetApp.
Hey. There's a lot of people here. I was at the first one. It was not this many people. So I'm excited to be here to announce that NetApp has upgraded its membership to Platinum with the CNCF. NetApp's actually been involved with the Cloud Native and Kubernetes community since the beginning, engaging with special interest groups such as SIG Storage and now SIG Cluster Lifecycle. NetApp was also a founding member of the CNCF at that time. And then last year, they acquired my company, StackPoint Cloud, where we had also built some of the largest cloud native and Kubernetes communities in the United States, with membership exceeding 15,000 people. Ariel and I actually built those communities to help evangelize and promote Kubernetes at a time when it was unpopular to do so. And now as CNCF ambassadors, we continue to do that in all the local locations that we do, that we run. Looking forward, we're excited to engage with the CNCF. We're excited to engage with the community. We're trying to make cloud-native applications easier to run on Kubernetes. And with that, thank you. Have a good KubeCon.
Thank you. Okay, next up from Palo Alto Networks, please welcome John Morello, VP Product.
Hey, thanks everybody. I'm John Morello. I'm VP Product at Palo Alto Networks. You may know me from my previous life. I was the CTO at Twistlock. So proud to have many of you guys as customers and hopefully now customers of us as part of the Prisma product line at Palo Alto. At Twistlock, we were one of the founding members of CNCF, and it's really pretty amazing to have seen all the early KubeCons and see how relatively small and much more sparse that these keynote sessions were, to see what it's grown into. The reason why we're so dedicated to this and why we're investing in becoming platinum members now is we really feel like CNCF is helping shape really the 6th generation of computing. Certainly a major change from what you've seen in previous generations, from client server to virtualization and cloud and now cloud native. And all of the innovation, all of the guidance and how these projects are being built and how they're going to shape the world is really being driven through CNCF. So we're really proud to be part of it and proud to continue contributing to the community.
Awesome. Thank you. Okay, and last but not least, we have our newest Gold end user member. So please welcome Joe Frazier, Head of Enterprise Cloud Computing at Fidelity.
Thank you, Cheryl, and thank you, CNCF, for welcoming us into this awesome community. Fidelity has a long history of product and technology innovation that we are very proud of. However, as we say with investing, past performance is no guarantee of future results. Like many in our industry, we are facing an ever-evolving competitive landscape. For us, cloud-native computing and the open source ecosystem will be key enablers of our digital transformation. We are pursuing a multi-cloud strategy, and Kubernetes and the CNCF ecosystem are at the cornerstone of that strategy. We have learned a great deal through the challenges adopting cloud computing in a highly regulated industry. We have tools and capabilities we hope to contribute back to this community and a wealth of benefits that we will gain from this partnership. I'm incredibly excited for Fidelity to join CNCF, and I look forward to taking this journey together. Thank you.
Thank you, Joe, and thank you to all of our speakers. So if you're excited by the future of cloud native and where cloud native is going, we've just launched a new cloud native jobs board. So you can check out all the companies that are hiring for Kubernetes and cloud native expertise. And this includes lots of jobs that are working remotely. Finally, CNCF is supporting new community-run conferences called Kubernetes Community Days. And I'm particularly excited by this because meetup organizing is how I got into open source. So when I was a developer advocate at StorageOS, I was looking for places to speak. And I looked, there was a Cloud Native Paris and a Cloud Native Berlin, and there was no Cloud Native London. So I created it to see if anybody would show up. And from there till now, I really enjoy seeing 200 to 300 people every single month coming to our meetups. And I'm actually organizing the Kubernetes Community Days for London. So if you want to bring KubeCon, CloudNativeCon, home with you, please do. You can sign up at kubernetescommunitydays.org. With that, these slides are on my blog at oysheryl.com. Thank you so much. Have a fantastic KubeCon.